Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys, that is placement questions, mostly aptitude of some mass hiring companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys. In future, I will add more companies placement questions. Okay, so if you are new to this channel and you are looking job opportunities, placement material, startup list, then do subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates, because previously I have shared all the resources. You will get all the links in the description. Go check it out, like free DSM material, funded startup list, ATS friendly resume template, remote hiring startup list, CS fundamental placement material, company wise lead code material. Okay, go check it out. And if you need any particular resources, do comment in the video. I will share it with you guys. So let's start the video. In today's video, I'm sharing a drive where I have curated some placement questions of mass hiring companies like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Infosys, HCL. I will add more. Okay, so mostly in this drive contains aptitude question, because the aptitude round is the first round that companies take, and based on that you get shortlisted for another round. So most of the people do not practice or study aptitude, so they are not able to qualify. So in this I'm sharing questions which you can practice, and you can get the idea what type of question can be asked. Okay, if I open a Accenture PDF, then you will get, yeah. So this question paper is given by someone. Okay, and the round and the questions types are like verbal, aptitude, analytical questions. So you can get the questions idea what type of questions can be asked. Let me open another which has more questions. Yeah, so in this, like, you have a 55 questions, time limited 60 minutes. You will get grammar questions plus aptitude questions plus reasoning. Okay, so these questions you can practice, and you will get some ideas that what type of question can be asked in these companies. Okay, like this we have for Infosys, for Wipro. If I open for Wipro, what we have, yeah, here is the Wipro and coding answers, 29 Jan morning slot. So here we have algorithm on toy manufacturers, e-commerce code. Yeah, so these things, with these things you can get idea. For HCL we have aptitude questions. A millionaire bought a job lot of hats, one fourth of which were brown. So these type of questions can be asked. So you have to practice, you have to solve the questions. Okay, and you will get the idea. This will be a very good practice for you guys. For TCS and QT solved, like, the cost of filling a gas tank at a shop is 800. If the shopkeeper reduces the price by 15%, the number of his customers increase by 30%. By what percent did his revenue decrease or increase? So yeah, if you practice this type of question, then you'll automatically able to recognize the concept or the difficulty level. On that you can prepare. Okay, for Infosys placement paper, 25 minutes. So based on some data you have to answer the questions. So these type of questions can be asked. If you will be already prepared and practiced it, then you're gonna excel it. Write a program to input a set of words, group the anagram together. So these types of coding question can be also asked. Okay, we have some extra resource like batch wise TCS question asked. Like, This is for mechanical, this is for TCS. Mechanical. For computer science, write an email to your aunt who is coming for a vacation in your town. Pick her from platform. So like these type of questions can be asked in interviews. In aptitude, these type of question, what is the value of A? So if the quality is not good, don't worry, I'm sharing the resources, you can check by yourself. The main purpose is to share it with you guys. Do not consider the quality of the video. And we have some quant shortcuts, quantitative aptitude shortcuts, which you can take a screenshot or print out and paste in your wall mirror, in front of your mirror, so that you can revise as you were doing in your school days. Okay, what we have left which I can share with you: TCS digital and QT, top 100 Java interview questions. Also we have some HR based question, most asked DBMS question, oops concept questions. Okay, so the drive link will be in the description. If you need any particular resource, do comment on the video. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.